What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on this crypto called Velo, which has pumped up just over 10% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, and as you can see it's currently trading at 0.01394 cents. So we're going to be looking at, as you can see, the pump did come from this afternoon. So is it going to keep going up in value? Is it going to drop back down? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, as in what's the best option on Velo right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it to simply just hold on to it? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Velo go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 2% in the last 24 hours. However, overall for the week it is still down. As you can see, Bitcoin is still trading around $23,000. But anyways, today's focus is on Velo. In the last hour it has dropped 0.3%. Over the last 24 hours it has pumped up 11%. It did pump up a little bit more this afternoon, but has taken a slight dip. Over the week, a massive over 100% up, guys. It all started off at about 0.006 and right now has more than doubled its value in a space of 7 days. Over the month, nearly 400% up, guys. As you can see, it's been performing absolutely insane. Yes, it did have its dips here and there in between, but overall it has been positive, which is all that matters. And yeah, so far so good for Velo, but it's all about over the next few days, weeks, months, how is it going to perform, and is it worth holding on to it? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 11% in the last 24 hours, making it $35 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Velo, and a huge percentage increase as well. And I'm pretty sure the percentage is going to go even higher over the coming hours, as more and more people will start to trade the crypto, especially after its pump right now. There's going to be more buyers as well as more sellers, and hence why more trading volume. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Velo, which is here in purple at 0.006686. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at 0.01386, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Velo over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, we should expect Velo to be trading at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, that does not mean there's not going to be any more pumps in between. Of course, it's likely to pump up to about 0.015 to 0.017 over the next couple of hours before it starts to drop back down to 0.013 cents in target by midday tomorrow, or just below that. But again, it's not going to be a major drop. It is going to be very minimal. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, and next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the orange line clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially both the blue and the orange line are both going in the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is meant to take place over the coming days. So next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, guys, I'm expecting Velo to be going for an overall increase in value. Even though the graph is mentioning, do expect it to fluctuate, I'm expecting it to head up to about 2 cents again towards the end of next week, early the week after that. But again, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days throughout the whole week. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been. But again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Heading above 2 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of next week. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking much more bullish, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line both heading upwards, going in a bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Velo over the coming weeks. So 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late April 2023, we should be seeing Velo trading above about 6 cents in target is what I would say right now. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs, and especially how Velo performs. If they've got any partnerships coming up or collaborations or anything like that, can have a potential positive or negative impact on its value. But anything like that, that's why I'm here, guys, to give you guys updates on regular basis on Velo and other cryptocurrencies that I cover on this channel. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it is looking good for Velo, but not for the short term. As I did mention, do expect it to drop back down in value, especially after it's pumped up this much, guys. We should expect a slight dip in value. So again, for the short-term traders out there, make sure your risk management is on point. But over the long term, so far Velo looks good. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And as you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way, guys, to hit the resistance target here of 51 cents. And going from about 1 cent to 51 cent is going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Velo anytime soon. By anytime soon, I mean over the next few years as well. So yeah, definitely not this year, and over the next 2-3 years as well. It's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, but as long as we keep moving upwards, we should be good to go. But yeah, at the moment, guys, we are going to be stuck in the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Velo, guys. I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around Velo, saying it's a pump and dump token, and others are saying, you know what, it's going to hit the dollar mark soon, so on and so on. But again, the dollar mark is a little bit too crazy, guys. Going from 1 cent to a dollar mark is absolutely insane, and yeah, I'm not expecting that anytime soon, even over the next 5, 6, 7 years. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Velo to be hitting the 10 cents target. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Personally, guys, 10 cents Velo should be able to hit over the next 6 to 8 months, I would say. So let's say towards in Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Velo to be hitting 10 cents. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Velo. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, before I end the video, guys, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.